Alright, today we're building the BLITZ SHIELD from Rainbow Six Siege. And you're probably wondering, hasn't the hacksmith made this already? He did. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it on a budget. Well, not a budget. I'm just going to, make it with things you can find around the house. Let's get started with the materials. Alright, so you're obviously going to need a flashlight. So I got this one from that web shooter video that I did. Let's quickly turn off this light I have right here, and I'm going to show you the power of this one. Okay, it's not too dark, but you can still see my face. There's the light. Yeah, I'm going to just point it at my face. Okay, this is a 900 lumen light. You're also going to need a piece of cardboard for like the shield and a big piece of cardboard. Well, let's get to that big piece of cardboard. Okay, we just gotta get out from under here. Oh my god, it's a pretty big piece. So yeah, we got this ginormous piece that my grandparents gave me. So all we gotta do is take a pencil and just draw the shield and try to get it as close as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to give you the measurements for the whole shield. So let's start off with this corner right here. So this is 40 degrees with 15.5 millimeters across. Same thing over here. And then we go up 47.5 millimeters. And then we get to the part where the LEDs are going to be placed, or the flashlights. And it's 34 millimeters across. And these spacings right here are 10 millimeters. You go up 13.5 millimeters. You get that whole thing right here. And then we get to these, right? And these are lined up just perfect with those. And it's 90 degrees, right? 90 degree thing. And you got 50 degrees. A 50 degree thing. And then it's 15 millimeters across. Same thing with the other side. And then right here you got some, I believe that's 120. Alright, so that was actually 11 millimeters. I don't know how I got that zero there, but yeah, let's just proceed. Right here is 34 millimeters by 13.5. The same thing as down here. And then you go up 10.7 millimeters, to just finish the thing. And then right here you got the 50 degrees with the 15 millimeters going across. And then yeah, you got all the measurements for the shield. So let's just cut this up and proceed with building. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do is glide our X-Acto blade along this one line, and we're just gonna bend it in a little bit, and that's gonna just, I don't know, make it look like the shield from the game. I don't know. So now that we pretty much finished building the whole cardboard portion, all we gotta do is just spray paint it or paint it. You can do whatever you want. You can use that kind of paint up there, or you could just spray paint. Just want to quickly point out, my bedroom's nothing like that, as you can see. It's spotless. Alright, so here are the three LEDs where they're going to be set up. So they're all 900 lumens, that's why I put that 900 there. So we're going to put one here, here, and here. Alright, so here's the shield. I didn't record me soldering it because I usually screw up whenever I just record me doing it. This is too complicated to look at, so I'm going to show you this website that I use to help me get through this process of like soldering and I guess just wiring up the whole thing. Alright, so the website I use is called FET. So basically right here we have, this is kind of how it's set up. So these are like the batteries right here, and then these things are like the wires, the lights right here. And as soon as we connect these, the light will turn on. So let's do that. So as you can see, the light, it turned on, right? So what we did is we connected all of them to one switch. So I'll show you that right now. So there it is. That's how it works. All the bottom wires connected to one side and all the top wires connect to the other. And that's pretty much how the whole circuit works.
Freeze it.
Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if I should make another like Rainbow Six Siege project. Like this one I've had a lot of fun making, and it was pretty easy to make too. So you can do this at home with like pretty much anything you can find around the house. Yeah, thanks for watching.